Hello guys, welcome to Every Crypto. My name is Arthur. Today I want to talk about arbitrage trading. We're not going to talk about futures trading and all that stuff. We all know what's going on with the price of Bitcoin and all that stuff, and all our long positions are in profit. And this video is not about futures trading. This video is about arbitrage trading. So let's talk about arbitrage trading, guys. I mean, it has been a long time. I know since we spoke about arbitrage trading, and of course this video is not about triangular crypto arbitrage trading. This video is about straight arbitrage trading, whereby we buy coins from the market where it's being sold at a lower price and sell to them to another market where it's being sold at higher price. So as you can see right now, this is my sub account, and you can see that I only have like 2.5 in here, right? And this is the account that I've just created for arbitrage trading, because we developed another tool for arbitrage trading. So this tool will scan for arbitrage opportunities. This is not triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity. This is for arbitrage opportunities, and this tool is gonna scan arbitrage opportunities from different exchanges and give you opportunities, right? So in this video I was just testing and it's working pretty good. So far we're gonna take the advantage of this arbitrage opportunity that I'm seeing right now. Let me just show you before So this arbitrage opportunity is available on BYBIT and BitTrue, right? As you can see, I'm recording live this video all the way from South Africa. So shout out to everyone who subscribed to this channel. Shout out to all Nigerians, USA. You guys represent, right? So let's look at arbitrage opportunities right here. I'm looking at on CoinGecko right now. Okay, so arbitrage opportunity is baby baby Doge baby. Some people call it Doge baby, but I call it baby Doge, right? Baby Doge, something like this right here. Baby Doge. Let me just type like this. Baby Doge coin. This one right here. All right. Here's arbitrage opportunity, and is available on BYBIT and BitTrue, guys. I mean, I was scanning for arbitrage opportunities and I saw this one, and I decided to record a video and let other people make money out there. But this tool is not out yet. We're gonna release it soon. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm, because this channel is all about making money. That's why I created this channel. You know what I'm saying? So so I saw this arbitrage opportunity. I was scanning for arbitrage opportunities. So this tool has made it easier for me to get arbitrage opportunities and make more money on this space, right? So as I said earlier, that this arbitrage opportunity is available on BYBIT. As you can see right there, BYBIT 24,61 right there. This is the price of baby Doge on BYBIT, and of course BYBIT has just released this, listed this. This coin is actually new on BYBIT. That's why we are finding these arbitrage opportunities is actually new, right? If you go to BYBIT right there and check markets, right, you're gonna see that this coin is actually new on BYBIT. That's why there's arbitrage opportunity right there going on. So if we go to leaderboard right there on spot like this, we should be able to see baby Doge, right? You can see new listings right there, and we have baby Doge right here. So it's actually a new coin on BYBIT, right? But then on BitTrue right here, this coin has been there for more than months now, and you can see the price right there is being sold at 26. Let me just refresh this. All right, let me just refresh right there. Oh, sorry, my internet is kind of slow these days. I don't know why, but like ish. Oh, okay, let me use another browser, right? Oh, all right, it's now loading. It's now loading. Okay, so we're looking at the price of baby Doge, right? And you can see that this thing is kind of slow here on BitTrue, but let me just go ahead to CoinGecko because prices are the same. So right here on BYBIT, you can see it's being sold at 24.61 right here. And if you go to BitTrue, let's look at BitTrue. Right here on BitTrue, you can see that it's being sold at 26.31 right here, right? This is the price of baby Doge. So you can see the difference, right? And of course, I want to talk about which network are we gonna use, because a lot of you complain about network and all that stuff. As you can see right there, the price of baby Doge on Bitro is being sold at 26.4, right? And right here on BYBIT, baby Doge is being sold at let's check right there. All right, I'm recording live all the way from South Africa. Represent, shout out to you. And yes guys, you can see right there the price. Damn, my internet is very slow. All right, right now you can see that the price of baby Doge on BYBIT is being sold at actually 24.60, right? So you can see the difference right there. Right here we're buying at lower price, 24.60. Right here on Bitro we're selling at higher price, 26.4. all right, and this is how exactly we're going to make profit each and every time. And the good thing is we're not gonna use ERC20 network and all other complicated stuff. Right here, if we want to withdraw this coin, we are going to use baby Doge. I mean, we are going to use BEP20 network, which is you know, Binance Smart Chain, right? So let's take a look at it right now. Let's search right here baby Doge like this, and let's take a look at okay, right now you can see that it's supporting BSC BP20 right here, all right, and you can see the fee right there. All right, so this is actually good because, like, you know, this network is fast and it's cheap, right? And you can see the fee right there. It says 40, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 47. All right, let me just type right there, 40, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and you can see that we're gonna pay at least $1 for transaction fee. All right, so we're gonna exclude $1 for transaction fee if you want to transfer from BYBIT to Bitro right here. All right, now I'm using Microsoft Edge, but anyway, now you can see the price right there, 26.4, still the same price. We didn't change anything. But then what's gonna happen if you want to deposit right after buying coins from BYBIT? We're gonna go to assets and click overview like this, and it's gonna take us to this dashboard right there. All right, now I'm using Chrome. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and log in, right? So but anyway, you can see my network is kind of slow, and the chart doesn't want to come right here, but you can see the price right there is being sold at 26.4, well, which is kind of higher right here on Bitro, right? So we're gonna be buying from BYBIT right here, and we're using BP20 network, and this fee right here is actually $1, so we're gonna exclude $1 from our profits, right? So let's say if we spend, like, you know, $100 and make a profit of $25, we're gonna exclude 1%. I mean, we're gonna exclude $1 for transaction fee. So right here we're gonna be selling at higher price, and if you want to deposit, we're gonna go ahead to overview like this, and you click right there, and you're gonna see a dashboard like this, right? And you're gonna go ahead and click where it's written deposit like this. This is actually a good exchange. It's actually listed right here on CoinGecko. If you go to crypto exchanges like this, not decentralized exchanges, we go to crypto exchanges, you can see that Bitro is actually available right here on CoinGecko, so it's actually a legit exchange. But other than that, you go ahead and click where it's written baby Doge like this, all right? And here's baby Doge right here. You select network. So if you click network right here, you can see that it's actually supporting BP20, which is this network right here, BP20. So you're only gonna pay $1 for transaction fee, and right here is only supporting BP20, which is Binance Smart Chain network, right? So right now, right there's no any problem, and you're gonna receive it after 5 confirmations and all that good stuff. But it should be very fast, but it's gonna be very fast and very quick. And this is the reason why we recommend everyone to use Heavy Crypto Arbitrage Scanner, because it only scans for legit and promising arbitrage opportunities. All right, now you can see that there's actually a reasonable profit right there if you buy from BYBIT and you sell to Bitro and repeat the process. So it's gonna be up to you whether you want to withdraw your profit using USDT, and if you wanna use USDT, make sure that you use TRX network, or Tron network because it's very cheap and it's very fast. All right, but other than that, this is it. My name is Arthur. I just wanted to let you know and test these triangle groups of opportunities and stuff like that and explain about it. And I'm using Heavy Crypto Arbitrage Scanner. This is not Heavy Crypto Triangle Arbitrage Scanner. This is Heavy Crypto Arbitrage Scanner, and we're gonna release this tool soon, and we're gonna see how exactly we're gonna be making money with this tool. So this is it. My name is Arthur. For those who still want Triangle Crypto Opportunity, the link is gonna be in the description below. And for those who want this arbitrage opportunity as early as possible, please make sure you send me a message on Telegram group. I'll leave a link to my Telegram in the description below, or you can join my groups, or you can send me a DM on Discord, or I'll leave my email in the description below. My email is arthurheavycrypto@gmail.com. That's my email. You can reach out to me anytime. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. Therefore, I'll send to the video. Love and peace.